how you can change your WhatsApp profile picture on your desktop. So in order to do that, we want to open our WhatsApp app, and next step is to open settings. So settings are in left down corner area. If you are on Mac, you can click on WhatsApp, and here is settings option. Once your settings are open, we're gonna click on our account, which should be here, your account's name. So here you can click on edit photo. Once you do it, you can choose photo from your computer. So now select your new profile picture and click on open or done. Now you can move and scale your profile picture and simply click on choose in right down corner area. And your profile photo was successfully changed. Then click on done and you are finished. If you want to move it back or remove it, again click edit photo and delete photo. Confirm this process and your profile picture is no longer here. Then click on done and you are finished. If you find this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button and see you next time.